The drama relates to COVID-19, as we know that we have been facing a problem situation for the last 2 years. In that period, our mothers and fathers made lots of effort for convincing her child to take online classes. So here we are showing the different faces of our mother, father, and as well as a teacher. First we see what our mother faced. Yes.
और गॉड मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास कैसे अटेंड कराऊं? इस बच्ची को संभालो, घर संभालो, मैं क्या क्या करूं? और पहले की रूटीन कितनी अच्छी थी कि बच्चे स्कूल चले जाते थे, मैं भी अपनी नींद पूरी करके घर के सारे काम खत्म कर लेती थी। मगर अब इस 4 साल की बच्ची के साथ साथ ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करना, घर को संभालना और क्या क्या करना।
यस, आपने देखा कि हमारी मदर्स ने किस तरह से सेक्रीफाइस किया और बहुत ज्यादा वो प्रॉब्लम में आ गई थी। द नेक्स्ट इज फादर।
Get up, son. It's time to take online class.
No, Papa, I will not take online class because I cannot understand the teacher lecturing on small phone screen. I need a new tab.
Oh my God, son. First you're demanding for a new phone. I got you that. But now again you're demanding for a new laptop. I'm really burdened by this COVID-19 pandemic here. Okay, I will arrange laptop for you. But for now, you have to attend online class on this cell phone. Here is it. I arranged a laptop. Now you have to work hard and get clear quick results.
Okay, Papa, I will work hard and do my best. Thank you.
You see,
Oh my God, I'm really burdened by this COVID-19 era and really fed up with this.
okay, now the scene of a class, how a teacher is facing nowadays after COVID.
Students, don't make a noise. I'm watching you. Students, you cannot understand. I say don't make a noise. या अल्लाह, ये बच्चे जब से ऑनलाइन क्लास के बाद से आए हैं, टीचर्स का कहना मानना ही छोड़ दिया है। बदतमीजी बढ़ती जा रही है।
Yes,
और पढ़ाई में भी कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। These students are so naughty. How I can manage them? This is bearable.
Oh my God, very complicated class is it? Okay, now see what our students are going to promise with us. Yes.
Now you see that where we stand. Our student behavior has totally changed. But we promise our teachers and parents that we will work hard and do our best. Thank you.
Very